Good day, welcome to Mathematics 7. Today we're going to discuss about laws of exponents. Let's say we have 2 raised to 4 as an exponential notation. So we have this part, and that is what we call power. And that bigger number is what we call base. So the number or variable that undergoes repeated multiplication. And the smaller number, that is what we call the exponent. So the number of times the base is used as a factor. And we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 16. That is what we call now the expanded form of 2 raised to 4. First law of exponent is product rule. It means if you are multiplying powers with the same base, copy the base and add the exponents. Like for example, you have x raised to m times x raised to n, and that is equal to x raised to m plus n. Number 2 is quotient rule. It states that when dividing powers with the same base, copy the base and subtract the exponents. You have x raised to m divided by x raised to n, that is equal to x raised to m minus n. Number 3 is power to a power. If you are raising a power to an exponent, then multiply the exponents. Like for example, x raised to m raised to n. That is equal to x raised to m times n, or x raised to mn. Number 4, product to a power. If you have a product raised to a same power, then distribute the exponents to each bases. Like for example, if you have quantity xy raised to n, that will be equal to x raised to n and y raised to n. So you're going to multiply x raised to n times y raised to n. Number 5, power of a quotient. If the quotient of the bases is raised by the same exponent, then distribute the exponents to each bases. Like for example, quantity x over y raised to n, that will be equal to x raised to n over y raised to n. 6. Negative law of exponents. If the base is powered by a negative exponent, then the base becomes reciprocal with a positive exponent. Like for example, x raised to negative m, that will be equal to 1 over x raised to m. And last, number 7, we have 0 law of exponents. It states that any base raised to 0 exponent is always equals to 1. Like for example, x raised to 0, that is equal to 1.